Hello everyone, this video is going to talk about how you can now use Google Sites. You could create the new Google Sites right from Google Drive. So any student that has access to Google Drive, which is the majority of all of our students, could go into the Google Drive, press the New button, go to More, and choose Google Sites. From here, you could start your brand new Google site. And the new Google Sites which we have early access to, is very, very easy to use and very intuitive. So it gives you, the students and you, the ability to not only create any sort of website yourself, but be able to kind of create any sort of curricular connection however you want in web publishing. So once you go to Google Sites, it goes to a page like this. It's as simple as clicking on boxes and typing new website. If I want to be able to move text around, I could actually click on it and move it over here. I could expand my space to be able to change my text on my screen. If I want to edit my header type, I could actually click on the header type and make it a large banner, a regular banner, or a title only. It's as simple as that. We don't have to be really much a web designer for here. If you want to be able to change the image of your Google site, click on Change Image, and you could upload any image that you'd like to use, or you could even use an image that comes with your new Google Sites, and it'll actually even adjust it for readability as well, which is really, really nice for us. If you want to be able to add information on your Google site, it's as simple as actually double-clicking on the screen and choosing if you want to add a website, something from your Google Drive, text, upload a picture, or whatever. So if I click on text, I can start typing here. If I want to be able to change that text, I could highlight it. I can make it a header. I can make it a heading, or I could make it just regular text, and it's as simple as that. So just like you would be typing a document, I could click on anywhere and start typing. Say I only want this to be one column and I want two, I could just shrink up my area where I want my text to be, and I could double click right here and add more text. That's simple. And if I want to add something below, I could double click, I could go to images, and I could actually add, let's see if we can grab a picture real quick. Okay, there's me. And I could add my picture onto my Google site. If I want my picture to be up here, I can move it into a different location. It's pretty easy and pretty intuitive. So I think anybody, regardless of your skill set, you could pretty much do whatever you'd like to do to make your Google site. If you want to add more pages, you could click on the pages section here, add another page, call it my next page, press done, and now we have a new page. And I can do the same exact information here. So if I go to my home page, that's my home page, next page, and I could continue working on this. Now what's really nice is that I could actually even add other editors, so it doesn't have to be one person. I could add other people here so that they could work together just like you would do on a typical Google Doc. And then when you're done, you could even click on the publish button, give it a name, so my new site. And I could say anyone on the web or anyone in our school district could have access to viewing it. What's really nice right now is, just for privacy's sake, our students will only get the ability to do it within our domain, but we could always talk about how to actually add more functions within here. There are other aspects that we can do here. We could actually, so on actually the next page I'm working on, just where I click here, my header could be a different header type, so I can make it a banner as well. It also could have a different image as well, so each page could be very unique. And you could also do this with your kids. You could give each kid their own page to work on, and it's a good starting point. And there's also these really neat little themes you could do with your text too. So if you don't want, you can see you could actually manipulate how you want your theme to look like. And it's that simple. It does save in real time, but when you want the people to be able to see it, you have to actually press the publish button. And then you should be able to, actually I didn't do it before, so new website. So if I do hit publish, that means at this point people can view my website, and I could actually share with other people to view. If you want to see what it looks like as you're working on it, just click on the preview button, and this will actually show you how it'll conform to a computer, a tablet, or a phone. So you could really give the power to not only yourself, but your students, and they could start creating websites